Hi, there is a saying that says it's better late than never. So for this time, I just want to greet you a Happy New Year and a prosperous 2016. And also, I would like to greet you a Happy Valentine's to all of you. Um, I hope that all of you will be having a prosperous year for this 2016 and have a good relationship with your loved ones, with your kids, and with your family. And also, I hope you will have a happy year for this 2016. So I'm so sorry for not having an upload and update with you because I'm so busy for the past year, months, and weeks because we have an activities in the school. So I was not able to communicate with you and have an update. So once again, Happy New Year and Happy Valentine's. Bye bye. See you next video.